Intro 20 sec. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking an exclusive look at the all-new LX 800, Lexus's ultimate luxury SUV. This beauty combines premium design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort. And yes, the one we have here is in stunning pearl white, showcased in a pristine showroom. Exterior overview 1 min. Starting with the exterior, the LX 800 is a true statement on wheels. The bold front grille dominates the front fascia, giving it a commanding presence. Sleek, sharp LED headlights illuminate the path with precision, while the muscular body lines flow seamlessly along the sides. The alloy wheels are massive yet elegantly designed, perfectly complementing the sculpted body. And the pearl white paint. It not only shines under showroom lights but also accentuates every curve and detail, giving this SUV a luxurious aura. Every angle of the LX 800 screams sophistication and power. From the rear, the sleek LED tail lights and chrome-accented bumper add a premium touch that completes its imposing look. Interior overview 1.5 min. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that feels more like a private lounge than a car. The white leather seats with diamond stitching exude comfort and luxury, while the soft-touch materials and subtle wooden accents elevate the cabin to a first-class experience. The digital dashboard is futuristic yet intuitive, featuring a curved infotainment screen that seamlessly integrates with the digital instrument cluster. Ambient LED lighting adds a soft glow, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The center console is thoughtfully designed with premium metallic accents, giving you both functionality and elegance at your fingertips. Whether you're driving or relaxing as a passenger, the LX 800 ensures you travel in unmatched style and comfort. Engine and performance 1 min. Under the hood, the LX 800 packs a powerful V8 twin-turbo engine, delivering impressive horsepower and smooth torque. This SUV isn't just about luxury, it's built to perform. The engine operates silently and efficiently, yet when you press the accelerator, it responds with thrilling precision. From city streets to long highway drives, the LX 800 maintains stability, comfort, and control, thanks to advanced suspension and driving dynamics. It's a perfect blend of power and refinement, making every journey an experience. Tech and safety features 1 min. Technology in the LX 800 is top-notch. The infotainment system is intuitive, featuring navigation, smartphone integration, and multiple connectivity options. Advanced driver assistance systems ensure safety with lane-keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras. Every detail, from the seats to the steering wheel controls, is designed to enhance convenience, safety, and driving pleasure. The LX 800 doesn't just take you places, it ensures you arrive in style, comfort, and complete confidence. Outroad 20 sec. So there you have it, the all-new LX 800. A masterpiece of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether it's the bold exterior, plush interior, or powerful engine, this SUV is designed to impress on every level. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive reviews and exclusive car insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.